Hi, welcome to LogE, a module of AOK. In this video, we'll go over how you can upload your hand receipt into LogE. So, first things first, I'm on my home screen on my cell phone and I see the AOK app logo. From there, I click on the app logo, and while it loads, it'll take me over to Muster where I can check my messages. In this video, we're only exploring LogE, and to get over to LogE, look over at the top left, you'll see a hamburger button. Click that hamburger button, and the main menu of AOK will pop up. Scroll down to LogE and click on Equipment. From there, it'll take you to the home page. As you can see, I have 2 hand receipts already uploaded from my team. If you're brand new to LogE, it'll have a button asking you to upload in the middle. But in this case, if you look at the bottom right, you'll see an upload button. Click that upload button and it'll take you to the next menu. From there you can type in your hand receipt name. In this case will be Bravo Company, so I'm going to label this BCO. And then from there tap the team and then select your team, click confirm, and now you have this page completed. From there, look at the top right and click on next and upload the hand receipt that you want to import. From there, LogE will give you the status of importing your hand receipt. As you can see, it shares data such as number of unique NSNs, total number of items, and total items missing serial numbers. It also automates your UIC. From there, you can click on the bottom right, Import, and it'll start giving you status updates on the completion of your import. From there, click on the bottom right, and now your hand receipt is imported.